Question 17. Which of these correctly shows the number of subatomic particles in a 41 potassium plus ion? So you can look at potassium and you could find that its proton number is 19. So it's got 19 protons and 19 electrons. However, if it's become plus charge means it's lost an electron. So it's not got 19 electrons anymore, it's only got 18 electrons. So it's still got the same number of protons. The plus charge means it's lost an electron. So 19 for potassium is always going to be 19 for potassium. This top number with isotopes can change the number of neutrons, but the bottom number, the proton number, is always going to be 19. So I've got 19 protons. I would have 19 electrons as well in a potassium atom, but it's a potassium ion formed a plus charge, so it's got 18 electrons. So automatically my answer is C. I could work out the number of neutrons by subtracting the 41, subtract the 19 would be 22, just to double check, but my answer is C. After a reaction of some zinc metal with excess sulfuric acid, a student collected 40.8 of these crystals. The yield of the crystals was 70%. So first of all, I'd be thinking, well, how much would they have made if they've made 100%? What's the easiest way of doing that? Well, 40.8 is 70%. So if we divide by 70, 0.583 is 1%. So 100%, and multiply 0.583 by 100 to get 100%. 58.3 is 100%. That's the amount that could have been made had some not been lost. So the amount that I could have made is 58.3 had I not lost some along the way. The MR of this zinc sulfate is 65 for a zinc, 32 for an S, 4/16 for the oxygen, and I've got 7 lots of water. Water is 2 1s for the H's and a 16 for the O. 18 is water, and I've got 7 18s. 289 is the relative formula mass of zinc sulfate, and I've got the mass that I've made. I've got the MR, so moles is mass divided by MR. So the number of moles is 58.3. That's how much I could have made had I not lost any along the way. Divided by 289, I could have made 0.20 moles. So there's one ZN in there, so if I'd reacted it with some water and something like sulfuric acid, I would have used 1 mole of zinc, except I didn't make 1 mole of zinc sulfate crystals. I only made 0.2. So 0.2 moles of zinc, the same number of moles, are going to be needed. MR of zinc is 65, look that up in a periodic table. Moles is mass divided by MR, so mass is moles multiplied by MR. 0.2 moles multiplied by an MR of 65, 13.3 grams. My answer is B.